अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हमारा टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन 2020 के हवाले से जो zoology और biology का जो हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है वो है सिंपल बेसिक जेनेटिक्स। इसमें जो है हम MCQs को सॉल्व करेंगे। स्टूडेंट्स हमारी जो नेक्स्ट आने वाली वीडियो है उसमें हम लोग जो है नेक्स्ट जो है मॉडर्न जेनेटिक्स या जो उसको आप कहते हैं कि जो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड जेनेटिक्स है उसके ऊपर जो है MCQs सॉल्व करेंगे। तो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आप जो है नई वीडियोज़ हासिल करना चाहते हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और साथ बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिए। So number one is the Gregor Mendel used pea plants to study which purpose? So the option C, the inheritance of the trait, is correct. The offsprings that result from crosses between true breeding parents with different traits, these are called hybrid. Now, the chemical factors that determine the traits are called either alleles, traits, genes, or characters. The true option is genes. स्टूडेंट्स अगर आप आंसर जो है ऑलरेडी जानते हैं तो प्लीज़ कमेंट ज़रूर किया करें। इसके अलावा जो है अगर आपके लिए जो है ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल होती है तो वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर किया करें। सो नेक्स्ट MCQ इज़ द ग्रेगर मेंडल कंक्लूडेड दैट द ट्रेड्स आर inherited through the passing of factors from parents to the offspring. The option B is true. When Gregor Mendel crossed a tall plant with the short plant, the F1 plants inherited an allele for tallness from the tall parents and an allele for the shortness from the short parent. The option B. The principle of dominance states that some alleles are dominant and others are recessive. When Gregor Mendel crossed true breeding tall plant with a true breeding short plant, all the offsprings were the alleles for tall plant is dominant. A tall plant is crossed with a short plant if the tall F1 pea plants are allowed to self-pollinate, then some of the offsprings will be tall and some will be short. Next is the principles of probability can be used to predict the traits of offsprings produced by genetic crosses. The option A is true. In the pea generation, a tall plant is crossed with a short plant. The probability that an F2 plant will be tall is 75%. The organisms that have two identical alleles for a particular trait are said to be homozygous. What principle states that during gamete formation, genes for different traits separate without influencing each other's inheritance? Then, what is the principle name? This is the principle of independent assortment. How many different alleles combination would be found in the gametes produced by a pea plant whose genotype was this one, R, small r, capital Y and capital Y? There is the possibility that R capital and capital Y and small r and capital Y. So there are possibility of two allele combination. The option A. Situations in which one allele for a gene is not completely dominant over another allele for that gene are called incomplete dominance. This is the definition of incomplete dominance. A cross of red cow with the white bull produces all roan offspring with RR and WW. This type of inheritance is known as either the incomplete dominance, polygenic inheritance, codominance, or multiple alleles. So which option is true? Students, this is up to you. You will answer in the comments that which option is true. The number of chromosomes in a gamete is represented by the symbol N. If the organism's diploid number is 12, its haploid number is 6. Now the gametes have either the homologous chromosomes, twice the number of chromosomes found in the body cell, or two sets of chromosomes, or one allele for each gene. Which option is? That is one allele for each gene. The gametes are produced by the process of meiosis. The chromosomes form tetrads during the which phase? Either prophase of the meiosis 1, or metaphase of the meiosis 1, or interphase or anaphase of the meiosis 2. So which is the true option? This is the prophase of meiosis 1. What happens between meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 that reduces the number of chromosomes? This is that there is no replication. Replication does not occur. So unlike the mitosis, meiosis results in the formation of haploid cells. The option B. So unlike the mitosis, meiosis results in the formation of the two genetically identical cells, or four genetically different cells, or four genetically identical cells, or two genetically different cells. Which option will be true? So there are four cells which are genetically different, so the option B is correct. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया और आप चाहते हैं कि आपको नई वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहें तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और वीडियोस को लाइक ज़रूर किया करें। थैंक यू।